Hello students and viewers, I take this moment as the prestigious one to present this video session as I present to you all. This is K. Venkatesan from Department of Physics, Bharathidhasanar Matric Higher Secondary School, Arakkonam. Now I am going to introduce new topic, 11th standard physics, second unit, kinematics. Okay, the subtopic is vector addition using components. Already we know the basic concept are how to adding the two vectors using triangulation law of addition and the parallelogram law of vectors. Okay, now we are following next method, that means another method. See, vector addition using the component method. There are three components already, we know that. Cartesian coordinate system, okay, x, y, z component, okay. So this type of vector addition is very important. Let us consider two vectors. This is the a vector and b vector. See, listen here. These are the two vectors, a vector and b vectors. In a Cartesian coordinate system can be expressed as, same idea students, a vectors we can written as a vector equal to ax I cap, ay j cap plus az k cap. Okay, see here, take a vector equal to ax I cap, plus ay j cap, plus az k cap. Okay, okay, see here, one vector a vector, Cartesian coordinate system can be expressed as a vector equal to ax I cap, ay j cap, az k cap. Similarly, b vector equal to, say b vector, what is value b vector? Yes, b vector equal to bx I cap plus, okay, by j cap plus bz k cap, okay. This is the a vector and b vector. Now addition of two vectors using component method. Component means three component, no. So adding these two vectors, see here, a vector plus b vector. Addition of two vectors equal to, adding these two value, adding a value, what is value? Add ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap. Okay, this is the a vector. Next one is plus b vector, what is value? Yes, bx I cap plus by j cap plus bz k cap. Okay, this is the b vector. The addition of two vectors is equal to the adding the corresponding x, y, z. Okay, take I component, j component, z component. See, so here a vector plus b vector equal to, here ax I cap, here bx I cap, takes I cap, takes out, so remaining term ax plus here bx, correct, into I cap. Are you clear? Okay, here also ax I cap, here bx I cap. So ax plus bx into I cap. Similarly, plus, see here ay here plus by into j cap plus, next az plus bz into k cap. This is the addition of two vectors using component method. Okay, any doubts? Good. Okay, next one is a vector minus b vector. Same concept. See here, a vector minus b vector. Okay, see here. Now subtraction of two vectors. Already we know that a vector can be written as ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap. Okay. At the same way, b vector equal to, what is only b vector? Yes, bx I cap plus by j cap plus bz k cap. Okay. So here A minus B, subtraction of two vectors, A vector minus B vector equal to subtract. Here Ax I cap, here Bx I cap. So takes I, see remaining term Ax minus Bx into I cap. Okay. Are you clear? At the same way, plus here Ay plus By, that means minus By. Ay minus By into J cap plus here Az Bz. So Az minus Bz into K cap. This is the subtraction of two vector using component method, Cartesian coordinate system. Okay. See, the next one is problem. See, two vectors, A vector and B vectors, A vector and B vectors, A vector value here, two vector A vector and B vectors, A vector and B vectors are given in the component form phi I cap, first value phi I cap, 7 j cap minus 4 k cap, and B vector 6 I cap, 3 j cap, 2 k cap. Okay. To find the A vector plus B vector, to find the, see here, A vector this one B vector. Okay, to find the A vector plus B vector. Next one is B vector plus A vector. See here, B vector plus A vector. Okay, see listen. First question, to find the A vector plus B vector, component method. Okay, A vector plus B vector equal to, what is the value A value? Yes, phi I cap plus 7 j cap minus 4 k cap. Okay, this is the A vector. Here plus no, plus B vector. What is the B vector? 6 I cap plus 3 j cap plus 2 k cap. Okay, this is the B vector. Adding these two vectors, A vector plus B vector using component method. Okay, see here, result A vector plus B vector equal to, here 5, here 6. So 5 plus 6, what is value? Yes, 11 I cap. Okay, here plus 7j plus 3j, 7 plus 3, 10, 10j cap, 10j cap plus or minus, here minus only, minus 4k cap, here plus 2k cap. What is the value? Minus 4 plus 2, yes, minus 2k cap, minus 2k cap. This is the answer. A plus B vector equal to 11 I cap plus 10 j cap minus 2k cap. The next one is B plus A, reverse order, B plus A, B vector plus A vector. Okay, B vector plus A vector equal to, B vector value here 6 I cap plus 3 j cap plus 2k cap, 2k cap. Okay, this is the B vector. Here plus no, B plus A only. So plus A vector value 5 I cap plus 7 j cap minus 4k cap, minus 4k cap. Listen here. So B plus A, we get the answer B vector plus A vector equal to 6 plus 5, same value, 11 I cap, 11 I cap, 3 plus 7, yes, 10 j cap, 2 minus 4, 2 minus 4 only, 2 k cap. This is the B plus A vector, B plus A vector. See here, In this above equation, we conclude that, see here, A vector plus B vector equal to B vector plus A vector. Okay, correct? This is our answer. A vector plus B vector equal to B vector plus A vector. Okay, see here, in other words, next question, A minus B vector and B minus A vector, both are same or not? See here, the next question, second one is A minus B, that means A vector minus B vector equal to, what is A vector? Yes, 5 I cap, 7 j cap, 4 k cap, 6 I cap, 3 j cap, 2 k cap. Here two vectors, A vector and B vectors. Here A minus B vector only. Here A vector 5 I cap plus 7 j cap minus 4 k cap. Okay, this is the A vector. Okay, B vector, what is B vector? See here, minus, because here minus only, no, A minus B. Okay, A minus B means here B vector 6 I cap plus 3 j cap plus 2 k cap. Okay, so A minus B vector equal to A vector minus B vector equal to 5 minus 6. That means minus into minus means, okay, minus 6 here minus 5. What is the value? Remaining minus I cap. Okay, minus I cap. Okay, here minus 6, here plus 5, no. So here minus I cap. Next one, 7 minus 3. What is 7 minus 3? Plus 7 minus 3 means here plus minus 3, here plus 7, no. 4 j cap plus 4 j cap. Next one is here minus 4k, here plus 2k. So minus into plus minus only. So minus 4 minus 2, what is the value? Minus 6k cap, minus 6k cap. Okay, this is the A minus B value or A vector minus B vector value. The next question, B vector minus A vector. Rearrange. First one is put B vector minus A vector. We get the answer, same value or check. B vector, what value? B vector 6 I cap plus 3 j cap plus 2 k cap. Okay, this is the B vector minus A vector 5 I cap plus 7 j cap minus 4 k cap Okay, so minus this value, we get the answer B vector minus A vector equal to, here 6, here minus 5, 6 minus 5, what is the value? Plus 6 minus 5, we get only plus value only, plus 1, that means plus I cap. Okay, the next one is here 3 j cap minus into plus minus only, minus 7 j cap, here plus, here minus, what is the value? So here minus 4 j cap, here 2 k cap, here minus into minus plus, so 4 plus 4, here plus 2, what is the value? Plus 6 k cap, okay, plus 6 k cap. Okay, see, listen carefully, check A minus B value, this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Okay, A minus B equal to B minus A? No, not equal to B minus A, because this value opposite direction, here minus I cap, here check plus I cap, here plus 4 j cap, here minus 4 j cap, here minus 6 k cap, here plus 6 k cap. So not equal to, that means A vector minus B vector not equal to B vector minus A vector. Okay, this is the subtraction of two vectors using component method. Okay, So next one is see multiplication of vector by a scalar. See here, this is very important. Multiplication of vector by a scalar. See, let us consider one vectors, a vectors multiplied by a scalar. Sir, one vector multiplied with scalar quantity. Okay, vector quantity possesses magnitude as well as direction, but scalar quantity only possesses magnitude only. There is no direction. Okay, see here, a vector quantity a vector multiplied by scalar quantity. That means scalar quantity lambda. Okay, we get the result only vector quantity. So any one vector quantity multiply with scalar quantity means we get the answer only vector quantity, which means lambda into a vector. Lambda is a vector scalar quantity, a is the vector quantity. One vector quantity multiplied with the scalar quantity, we get the answer only vector quantity. Okay, see here, lambda is nothing but scalar quantity. Lambda value positive number means we get the answer lambda a vector is also in the direction of a vector only. Note this point, very important. Okay, the next one is the lambda value negative. That means a vectors, see here, lambda value negative and the lambda a vector is also opposite direction to the a vector. Opposite direction to the a vector. This is very important concept. Okay, dear students, the multiplication of vector by a scalar means we get the answer only vector quantity. Okay, vector quantity. Problem, simple problem and example problem. See here, the given the vector quantity, that means a vector given data 2i cap plus 3j cap. What is the 3a vector? This is our question. What is the 3a vector? See here, already we know that a vector equal to what value? Here a vector equal to, say what value? 2i cap plus 3j cap. Is it clear? This is a vector. A vector is a vector quantity. Multiply with 3 value. 3 is the scalar quantity, no? 3. Number system, everything scalar quantity. Okay? That is a magnitude only. A vector possesses magnitude as well as direction. Here number 3 only, no? This is a scalar quantity. We get the answer only vector quantity. See here, this is a vector is the vector quantity. Multiply one scalar quantity, that means 3 into a vector. Multiply. So we get the answer 3 into, what is the value? 2i cap plus 3j cap. Okay. So the 3 is the scalar quantity, a vector is the vector quantity. So see here, resultant value 3a vector equal to, what is the value? 3 into 2, 6i cap. We get the answer 6i cap. Okay. Next one is 3 into 3. What is the value 3 into 3? 3 into 3, 9j cap. Okay, this is the solution, 3a vector. Okay, now 3 is the scalar quantity, a is the vector quantity. So see here, multiplication of vector by a scalar, we get the answer only vector quantity. Okay, dear students, I hope you all would have enjoyed this class and I believe that it will satisfy your thirst of knowledge. Thank you. If any doubt means contact us. Thank you.